Ferronova is the outcome of a research collaboration between the University of South Australia's Future Industries Institute and also the University of Victoria in Wellington, New Zealand. The product that Ferronova are commercialising helps to overcome some of the shortcomings of the current practice in clinical pathology for cancer diagnosis. Research at UniSA had led to the development of a novel handheld probe to be able to pick up very highly magnetic iron nanoparticles that have been developed out of the research collaboration group in New Zealand. And the combination of those two things together is being used for the clinical procedure called sentinel lymph node biopsy to identify and track metastatic cells from cancer. At the moment, what happens is that radioactive colloids are injected into a tumour site that then drain into the lymph nodes for surgeons or clinicians to then be able to identify metastatic cells in those lymph nodes. The problems with those is that you have a very short half-life of the radiocolloid, and also the injection site produces a very big halo effect around the tumour, so the resolution is very low. Our approach that Ferronova is commercialising enables a much greater resolution because you don't have to worry about the halo effect from the injection site. So I think the competitive advantages of this technology give it potential to have very wide applications. So not only in large city hospitals where it could be used for a wider number of cancer types, it's also in developing countries and regional hospitals where they don't have ready access to radiocolloids for the current standard practice in hospitals. We're going through a process of preclinical development at the moment using large animal studies, and we're expecting to be in phase 1 clinical trials early next year in 2018. Now, the actual two components of the technology is the probe and the nanoparticles will result in very high-skilled advanced manufacturing jobs here in Adelaide. And again, I think that's really exciting, especially with all the infrastructure work that's going on here in the health precinct and investments made by the government.